Your bags alone. Can you please seal it again, Mr. Andy? She is tweeting about it or Snapchatting or whatever it is you young people do. As my boss would say, anda en el book face. Yes, you can open the water. Do not open the jalapeños. El ranchero del jalapeño. Earlier he was el ranchero de las alas. He says, de donde yo vengo, puro jalapeño. Eso. He said, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day I will be champion. A wise man once said that in a movie. I can't remember who it was. Mira, bien chulas. Dijo, yeah, your niece disowned you earlier when she watched you dance. She said, that's not my aunt. I don't know who she is. Her sister, I met her last weekend too. And her other, nombre pura familia. Ah, porque estaban dando gratis las camisas. Así vivieron. Ah, free, me pongo en línea. Están como mis tías. ¿Qué están dando ahí? Tía, están dando shots. Ah, no, yo no quiero. Hey, we got 2 slots available that opened up. Anybody else in? Angel, where you at, Angel? Is that him? Angel, go. Let's go, buddy. Angel's in. Huh? Milan, where you at, Milan? Milan, I think they want you in the competition. I don't know if it's going to be full, but Milan, start walking that. No, Milan said, nope. I'm just here wearing my hat. That's it. Milan, do not do that with your hair again, sir, because some of us are not so blessed. So, stop. You do have a cool name, though, Mr. Milan. I appreciate that. What was that? You want to go? Over there? Yeah, but I think they got 2 guys signing up already. You would have to go over there and sign up if you'd like, ma'am. Yeah, are we done? That's it. We signed up. Somebody who was forced to do it, Mr. Angel, and somebody else, I guess. A round of applause for Mr. Angel being brave enough and submitting to peer pressure. Kids, do not submit to peer pressure. No. Do not let your friends talk you into stuff you don't want to do. Because Mr. Angel will be in a lot of pain tomorrow because of his friend, El Ranchero del Jalapeño. A round of applause for our last brave contestant coming up for the DHR Jalapeño Eating Contest! The rules are real simple, boys and girls. Do not eat the stem, everything else you need to down. Do not eat the stem, everything else you need to down. She said, oh my God, my students are here. Hey, hello, how you doing? Hey, that's your teacher. Ma'am, what I've seen from the last 2 weeks, God bless you. I bet she was a fun teacher though, because I've had a lot of fun with her the last 2 weekends. Hijo, so last weekend, you know, a little too many. Everybody good? Everybody know the rules? Everybody ready to go? Okay. The DHR Jalapeño Eating Contest in 3, 2, 1, go! Ole, ole. This guy means business, man. Let's go. Make some noise. Get loud for the DHR Jalapeño Eating Contest. Make some noise for them. Let's go. They need to be encouraged. This one hurts. I promise. Let's go, man. Get loud. Come on, guys. Come on, man. Make some noise for him. Milan. Milan, cheer your buddy on. Let's go. Clean them up. Clean them up. Make sure they're clean. Man, there you go. That's a good way of doing it. Make sure the stem is clean. some noise for them, guys. Come on, man. This one hurts. They need to be encouraged. Hey, if you got somebody in the stands, let's go. Make some noise. Yeah, the 2022 Jalapeño Eating Contest, sponsored by DHR Health. Yeah, baby. Come on, guys. Let's go. Make some noise. Let's go. Yeah, Miss Rosie. Get down, baby. Mr. David. Oh, your wife is nothing but fun, buddy. You're doing good, buddy. Marisa, you're doing good. Miss Rosie's just up here for the t-shirt. Gotta clean them up, clean them up. You can't de-seed them. You gotta eat everything but the stem. You can't do that. Everything but the stem. You cannot take the seeds out. Everything except for the stem. Everything inside and out, except for the stem. There you go, Mama. You're doing good. You're doing good. It looks like my girls are doing great today. Yeah, he's doing good. Yeah, we got first place down here. Here we go. Come on now. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Who we got next over here? We got this young man getting pretty close. Come on, Miss Rosie. Get down, baby. Come on now. He's getting close. This guy's getting close. Come on, show us an empty mouth, buddy. Show us an empty mouth. Number 2 right here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She's in 3rd right now. Yeah, this guy's not even close. My two girls are tied for 3rd right now. Oh no, this guy right here can't make a comeback. He made a comeback. Yeah, let's go. Make some noise. Show me an empty mouth, sir. Show me an empty mouth, sir. Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Woo! That's number 3. There we go. The rest of you guys, thank you all for coming out. God bless you. Stay dry. Oh no. The top 3 stay on the stage. Hey guys. That was the DHR Health Jalapeño Eating Contest. That's my time for the events. Thank you guys for coming out. Make some noise for all our contestants. We appreciate you guys. Stick around tonight when our closer is La Mafia. Stick around tonight and make some noise for our bands tonight, because they're going to be playing in some extreme cold, and they're out here for your excitement and your enjoyment. So make sure you thank all our sponsors, and you thank our acts that come up here, and you thank everybody that put it together, because I love Sombrero Fest 2022.